malata. Okay? Basta pagkaon, papel, malata. Pag plastic, dulaan, dili, malata po. Okay. Sige, sample na. So, panit sa saging, malata or dili malata? Kindly, or blue for malata, pink for dili malata. Ayan. Thank you, ate. So, let's give ate a round of applause, please. A round of applause. Okay. For our next one, solar power. It gets its energy from the sunlight, just like this one. Okay? Like this. Yeah. Okay. So for our next one, we have the wind turbine or windmill. Oh, if kuyupo na siya nimo sa balakan, wonder na siya, di ba? And suga, wonder po. Okay. It uses the power of air or hangin. Okay. Ay, hindi na volunteer po. Sumuyo. Sige. Anyone? Anyone? Ito kuya. Sige, sige. Ayan. Kindly observe the light. Kuyo. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Sige. Kuyo po. Kuyo. Okay. Sige po. Sige, try. Okay. Okay. So anyone, volunteer po? Ikaw ate? Ali? Yan, very good. Sige pa. Sige. Sige. Okay. Sige, thank you po. So, I will just demonstrate na lang. Hindi na natin uyupon, okay? Para direction na. So, here. Kindly observe the house. Very good. Ayan. Thank you po. Okay. Ayan. Very good students. 4. So, tanaw na to. If tama ba si Handibot? Kaya mo niya niya bottle. Bilango na to ha. Okay? We have 4. So, ipakita na ko dato sa iya ha. And Handibot will respond. Hindi lang nga. 1, 2 po. So, let's have number, what number is this? 5. Okay, give me a sign for number 5, please. Sign for number 5. Ayan. And let's try if tama po ba si Handibot karon. Okay? So, kindly observe po. Pakibilang po. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, we have Handibot. Okay. First, follow after me ha. Sunduga ko ang saong istorya. Okay? Let's say, hi, Wamibot.
Nagbabay si Wamibot.
Okay. And did you know Wamibot can move forward? Kabalo po muli ako si Wamibot. Let's say, Wamibot, move forward. 1, 2, 3, go. Namulapot mo back si Wamibot. Let's say, Wamibot, move backward. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Thank you, Wamibot. Oh, don't touch. Okay. Wamibot can also do push-ups. Kabalo ang push-ups si Wamibot. Okay? So, let's say, wait for a while. Wamibot, push up. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Thank you, Wamibot. And also, Wamibot can do sit-ups. So, let's say, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Okay. Don't near Wami Bot po. Kay bakal, when siya pure. If ever good, maipit yung mga sakit tayo. Okay? So, for our next thing, Wami Bot can do chest pumps. Let's say Wami Bot chest pumps. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Thank you po. Ayan. And Mommy Bot and also, excuse me po, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, thank you, Mommy Bot. And also, Mommy Bot can laugh out loud. Okay? Let's say, Mommy Bot laugh out loud. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, thank you, Mommy Bot. And Mommy Bot is a lovely. Go. Okay. So, okay. Zero, ay. Ayan.
Pikas ako kuya, mag-zero. Sa pikas.
Okay, sige po. Pasita po.